Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by checking prerequisites. Confirm your iPhone or iPad model and iOS version, because older builds behave differently. Once done, enable guided access in Settings Accessibility and set a secure passcode or enable Face/Touch ID for quick exit. Make sure the target app is closed, then force quit and reopen it. This clears transient app state that often blocks guided access from launching. Do these steps now, because they remove common configuration and app state causes before deeper troubleshooting. You now perform the core execution. Open the app you want to lock and triple-click the side or home button to invoke guided access. Before tapping Start, inspect options, disable touch or motion, block keyboards, and set a time limit if needed. These choices control how the session behaves. If the triple click does nothing, check accessibility shortcut mapping in Settings, because that determines if guided access responds to the gesture. Follow these steps deliberately to ensure the session actually begins. You finish by exiting guided access with a triple click and your passcode or using Face/Touch ID. Confirm the app returns to normal. If guided access still fails to start or exit, restart the device and check for an iOS update, because system bugs are often fixed in updates. As a final troubleshooting tip, reset accessibility settings to defaults. This preserves your other data but restores broken mappings. If that still fails, collect specifics like iOS build and reproduce steps before seeking support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.